No, I'm not a financial advisor. I want to go ahead and I want to dig into something. I was looking at just the filings from today, just because they've been trying to sneak stuff through. I came across this one called HighPeak Energy. Obviously, energy is a sector that I think we should all like be vigilant of, right? So I went ahead and I took the liberty of checking out their Ortex. Uh, Under 2.5 billion as far as the cap goes. Catch this though, only 12.34% is on float of the entire company. Now, again, like, sub, hit the bell. Okay, very important for me. We are far off a 52-week low, as are most energy companies. Okay. However, let's dig in real quick. You can see their financials are getting stronger. Their enterprise value is rising. Projected next year, or the following year, to drop a little bit, but rising nonetheless right now. I was impressed by their EBITDA margin percentage. Look at that jump. Boom, boom. Okay. Holders. So HighPeak Energy Management owns 71.8%, give or take, of the entire company. So that's, I mean, they own most of their own company, right? BlackRock added to their position on the 30th of September. There are also a few other companies like Geode, BNY Mellon. There's a few others that added on the 30th of September, and then a few that hopped on the train right before then. I do want to show you insiders, and then I'm going to show you how this is in short squeeze formation as well. All right, so there's a buy of just under 30K. There's a buy of just under a quarter mil. Here's a buy of what, 50 mil? 246 mil? No, sorry. No. I lied. $246. Only bought 9 shares. I don't know a CFO that only buys 9 shares, but I apologize. This person spent $500,000 on shares, and then this person just spent $70,000 on shares. We're looking at a total of $61.77 million over 8 transactions within the last 3 months. Now, let me show you this, because this is important. They're shorts. Okay, so now I know that their float is low, so you're going to say, oh, well, this number might want to be a little bit higher. I agree, right? We're only seeing 9.27% on float for shorts, and utilization is under 100. It's at 95.79. However, if you take a deeper look in, you will find that 50% of these shorts, by just subtracting the days, okay, are underwater. Now, it was a weekend, so it'd be 20/75 to around 20/86 is where they're underwater. So they're already underwater now. That's what I'm getting at. Okay. Security lending volume obviously raised since the gap up. Seems like we filled that gap just fine. We did plenty of volume there. I don't even know if I check. Yeah, that FTD is already gone and passed. Yeah. Anyway, so if 50% of the shorts are underwater in between 2075 and 2086, and this is trading at 21.26, I mean, it doesn't take a rocket scientist to figure out that, obviously we're above the shorts, and we have a chance to take over, but it's the fact of, are we going to get the demand that it takes in order to go ahead and force a short squeeze? I don't know. I do like this though. I do like the fact of the low float. It gives us, it's much easier in order to go ahead and move. Last key point: they entered into So the whole reason why I even looked into them was because they filed an 8K. Okay, on their website. Well, here's an overview. So they're located in Fort Worth, Texas. Blah 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 blah. You guys get that? Here's their thing. Their presentation. So they actually started buying in order to avoid supply constraints, right? They actually started buying last year, and they loaded up as far as material is concerned. So that could be, that could be a bonus. Responsible growth, 83% quarter over quarter production increase, 165% quarter over quarter EBITDA increase. That's pretty impressive. Obviously, you guys could see all that happy jazz. And then, again, confirming that they are located in Texas. But, yeah, that's what I got for you guys. I'm going to watch list it. I don't even know if I'm going to take a position. But I'm going to watch list it, and we'll see. But I'm already live now. And I will be live all throughout the day. Come hang out and join the Mafia. But, later, fam. You guys have a good one, and best of luck to everybody.